Today we're taking a look at this four-wheel drive Actuator Vacuum Check Valve for the 2015 to 20 four-wheel drive F-150s. If your truck is having issues with four-wheel drive operation and you need a direct replacement part to help get things working the way they should again, this is one of those small pieces that can matter a whole lot more than you think. It's a simple repair part, but it plays an important role in keeping that four-wheel drive system doing its job, so it's definitely worth considering. This valve is designed to maintain proper vacuum pressure for the four-wheel drive system, which is exactly why it matters when the system is not performing the way that it should. That makes this a very practical replacement for somebody dealing with four-wheel drive issues and wanting to restore dependable operation without overcomplicating that repair process. It's built as an OE-compatible direct replacement, so the fit and the function are meant to stay right in line with that factory setup. That's a big plus because it helps the job stay simple and avoids the headaches that can come with basic repairs and trying to fix your four-wheel drive system. Since it's sold individually, it's going to be an easy fix when one specific component like this one is going to be the problem and you don't need to replace the entire system. Another nice touch is that it is made in the USA, which is nice when you're looking for a little extra confidence in the overall quality. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting an OE-compatible replacement valve with a matte black finish. This is built for long-lasting performance and designed to resist wear and tear in the demanding use conditions. The straightforward factory-style construction is what helps make it a reliable fit for a repair just like this. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that $30 price range. That is a very easy price to justify for a direct replacement four-wheel drive system component, especially when a small part like this can make such a big difference in getting the truck's four-wheel drive system back on track. This is a low-cost, high-quality fix that could do the trick for getting your four-wheel drive system working correctly again. Now, when it comes to this install process, it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. And you can get this job done in 30 minutes of your time, or maybe even less if everything goes smooth. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
Take it, pull the check valve out of the hose, just like that. And there's 2 connectors here and here. Pull. Pressure in the lines, it's vacuum. Back one's kind of harder. It's in the solenoid. Old one. This is the new one. And put the back one on first. And then we'll put this one down here on the other side. Okay. And you have the check valve with the original line, and this one, with the blue valve. Just push it on there, put it back in the seat, and it should be good to go.
That's going to wrap up our review and install of this four-wheel drive Actuator Vacuum Check Valve for the 2015 to 20 four-wheel drive F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.